So the final exercise element that I'll show you is the drag and drop element. As you can see, the first time you encounter one of these exercise types is in lesson 1.4. And here you can see a layout where we have 4 empty boxes and 4 boxes with numbers 12, 18, 14, and 10. If I start the lesson as the learner would see it and go to exercise 4, you can see that the way it works is you can listen to an audio file.
12.
12, so I have to drag these around to the respective correct numbers. Oh, these were all correct. And I can try again. This is basically how the exercise works. So let me show you. When I click on the exercise element, I get my editing box on the right hand side. Here you can see drag fields. I have 4 of each. There are 4 drag fields and 4 drop fields. So here in these fields I can choose whether I want to do text, which means I could write something here. And you can see it shows up in one of the fields. I can choose whether I want to upload an image file to the field or a sound file, an audio file, which is the way it works now, as you saw with saying out loud the numbers. Now for the field number 1, I've uploaded a sound file, an audio file, which says 12. So in the drop fields where I have to drag these, I write the number 12 because I want text to be the answer in this case. I could also upload an image of 12 that I could drag to, or another sound file that relates to 12 somehow, and I want to use that as the correct answer. Then I have to select what is the acceptable answer here. So you can see for field number 1 and field number 1 here, I tick the box 1. That shows me that these 2 fields belong together. The same with 18, which is box number 2, 3, 4. Now this is pretty straightforward, but you might have mixed up something up here, and so you can change these around if you want. You can also add more drag fields simply by clicking the plus sign. More fields show up. And obviously the same thing with the drop files. I can choose if I want to drag from left to right or right to left, or up and down, down or up. I can mix the drag elements randomly and the drop elements the same. I can choose whether I want to use a background of some sort. As you can see here, it changes. And remember to save the lesson. The drag and drop element, if I just pull one up, click it, drag fields, drop fields, select as many as you like. Same with the upload the various things that you need for it. Just delete this again.